Alright, so today I am going to the Chocolate Museum, and this is the last place in Switzerland I am going to before going back home to Canada. So enjoy the tastiness and sweetness of the museum and enjoy the video. As you can see, this is how chocolate is made. They used a lot of cocoa, and the cocoa beans are grown in tropical zones near the equator, specifically in Africa. Oh, I thought they were real drinks, and I could drink all of them. First, the base of the chocolate goes to the conveyor belt. Then they are cooled down to harden the base and cover with the filling and cool down again. Once it's done, the machine puts the caramel filling and the human adds the almond in the top of the chocolate and cool down once again. Once it's finished, another chocolate is layered to be bottom and cools down for the last time before they come together to be crushed and ready to be packaged. For packaging, there are mini trays that are going to the conveyor belt. Once it's there, the crushed almond chocolate goes to the mini tray, then it cools off to flatten the chocolate to package. The process repeats for each almond chocolate. Here is the history of chocolate that is being sold from pre-1900s to today in stores. In this section, I am actually going to eat liquid chocolate only using my hands. Don't worry, I definitely washed my hands before and after eating the chocolate. This is the map of Switzerland that indicates where all choco companies are located. At the end, you get a sign-off chocolate from this contraption before you leave. Thank you guys for watching the journey of Switzerland. If you haven't seen the other parts, go check out the playlist listed here. Again, this is the last place before I'm going back to Canada. Switzerland is nice that I'd recommend to go once in a lifetime. Peace.